So in this video, we are going to learn how to automate bill data extraction from PDFs and images to Google Sheets using AI agent. Let's say on a regular basis, you keep on getting your utility bills like electricity, water and other bills as well. And you want to create a log of all the bills which you have. But manually entering the details of each and every bill into Google Sheet is a tedious and repetitive task. So let me tell you, you can build an AI agent for this. Now this AI agent will take the PDF files or images of the bill which you can upload in Google Drive. After taking the image or the PDF of the bill, this AI agent will send the same bill to OpenAI, and using OpenAI, it will extract the details from that bill. After extracting the data or the details, it will add the same bill details in your Google spreadsheet and create a new record over there. Now, if you want to learn how you can build this AI agent all by yourself, for that, let me just take you to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Google Drive folder. And in this particular folder, all the bills I get, all the utility bills I get, I upload the images or PDF file of all of those bills. And as I upload the image or the PDF file over here, the AI agent which we have created, this AI agent will capture the same bill, send it to OpenAI, and using OpenAI, it is going to extract the details out of it. And at last, it is going to add all the details of that bill in this Google spreadsheet like this. So whatever bill I get, I just upload it over here in the Google Drive folder and gets added in my Google spreadsheet. Now to create this kind of AI agent and connect all of these applications, we are using Pabbly Connect. And in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process that how you can create this kind of AI agent for your own. Now, before we get started with the process of building the AI agent, let me just clear this Google spreadsheet from here. So right now what we have done, we just have created a Google Drive folder in which we have uploaded an image of a bill over here. So this is the image of our electricity bill. And then we have our OpenAI account and we have the Google spreadsheet in which we want to add the details of the bill. Now after this, to get started with Pabbly Connect, just go to a new tab and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And here you can see that we have reached to Pabbly Connect's landing page. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up free. Now, if you're new to Pabbly, by clicking on this sign up free button, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you're an existing Pabbly user, just click on sign in. After signing in, here you can see that we have reached to all apps page of Pabbly. And here we have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. And as we click on access now, we will reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. After reaching to this dashboard, we have to create a workflow for our AI agent. So we will just click on this create workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I would like to name my workflow as AI agent for utility bills. AI agent for utility bills. You can basically give any other name as per your choice. Then just select the folder of your Pabbly Connect account in which you want to set up this workflow and click on create. And as you click on create here, you can see that the workflow will open in front of us. In this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this AI agent works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with the trigger step. Now the idea here is first we have to connect our Google Drive folder with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, so that whenever we upload the PDF file or the image of our bill in our Google Drive folder, this AI agent will get the same file and this AI agent will get triggered. It will start. So for that, here in the trigger step in Choose App, we will search for Google Drive. Just select it. After selecting Google Drive, in Trigger Event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as New File in specific folder. After selecting the trigger event, just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our Google Drive account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on this Sign In with Google button. Then after that, here from the pop-up window, select your Google Drive account, then just scroll down and click on Continue. And as we click on Continue, here you can see that our Google Drive account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us for the folder or subfolder. So in this drop-down, you can see a list of all the folders and subfolders which we have created in our Google Drive account. Out of all of this, the folder in which we are uploading our utility bills is named as utility bills over here. So from this drop-down, we are going to select the folder in which we are uploading the images and the PDF of the bills. Then after selecting the folder, when we will click on this Save and Send Test Request button, the details of the last file, the most recent file uploaded on this folder will be received inside Pabbly Connect. Now here you can see that in this folder right now I have only one image of the electricity bill. If I open this image, you can see the share permission of this image right now is private to only me. But to send this file to OpenAI and to extract the details, we have to change the share permission of this image. And not for just this particular file. All the images, all the files which we are uploading or adding in this particular folder, we have to change the share permission of all of those files. But changing the share permission of each and every file one by one is a repetitive and tedious task. So what you can do, just click on this folder name, go to share and click on the share button. And we are going to change the share permission of this complete folder. From this drop-down from restricted, select anyone with the link, and after that, just click on done. And as you click on done, here you can see that the share permission of all the files in this folder will be changed. So earlier the share permission of this file was private to only me, and now it is anyone with the link. After changing the share permission, what we are going to do, we'll go back to Pabbly Connect and click on this save and send test request button. And as you click on save and send test request, here you can see that we have received the response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. In this response, you can see the details of the same file, the most recent file which we have uploaded in the Google Drive folder is received inside Pabbly Connect. So here you can see that we have the web view link of the file, the same file which we had in our Google Drive folder. Then here you can see we have the download link of the same file of the bill as well. So in front of web content link, this is the direct download link. We'll scroll down and here you can see some other details of the same file. Also, you can see here we have the name of the same file as well. So in this way, the step 1 of building this AI agent is completed, where we have successfully connected our Google Drive folder with this AI agent and captured the file, the images of the bills which we are uploading in Google Drive. Now after this, in the next step, we want this AI agent to send the same file to OpenAI so that using OpenAI, we can extract the details from the image or the PDF file of the bill. For that, just scroll down, come to this action step, and here in Choose App, search for OpenAI and select it. After selecting OpenAI, an action event from the drop-down, select the action event as Extract Content from PDF/image. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, we have to connect our OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key of our OpenAI account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API key. For that, just go to your OpenAI account and from the dashboard, go to this API keys section. After coming to API keys, click on this Create New Secret Key button and give this API key a name. Let's say I'll name it as Pabbly Connect. Then just select the project of your OpenAI account for which you want to generate the API key and the permissions as all. And click on this Create Secret Key button. And as you click on Create Secret Key, the API key will be generated. Just copy the API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And after pasting the API key, just click on Save. And as we click on Save, here you can see that our OpenAI account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, the first thing it asks us is to select the OpenAI model, that using which model we want to extract the details. And in the drop-down, we have multiple options. Now let's say I want to use GPT-4 Mini as a model to extract and segregate the details from the PDF or images of the bill. Then after that, it is asking us image or PDF URL. So here we have to enter the URL, the link of the file using which or from which we want to extract the data. So we have uploaded our bills in our Google Drive and we have received the new file details from Google Drive inside the trigger step of this workflow. Now here from the trigger step responses, we have to add this response of web content link of the direct download link of our bill which we have received. And to add the trigger step response of this link to this OpenAI action step, we are going to use a process called mapping. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field of image/PDF URL and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Google Drive of a new file. Out of all of these responses, select the response of web content link, the download link over here, and map it. After mapping it, it is asking us for the prompt, that what is the prompt we want to provide to OpenAI to extract the details. So let's say I want my prompt to be, so the prompt is extract the details from the shared bill and give response in shared structured format. If any details or if any detail is missing, then give blank response for that field. So I'm asking OpenAI to extract the details and give the response in structured format. And after this field, after entering the prompt of your choice, here in the next field, it is asking us structured output. Now you must be thinking, what is the structured output? Now we want to basically get independent details, separate details for separate fields from the bill. So we want to extract the details from the bill, but we want to extract or get a different response for the name of the person, for the account number, for billing date, due date, the consumption details, the total amount, the vendor over here from which we have received the bill, their address, and all of that. We want separate responses for each and every information so that we can easily add these details in the Google spreadsheet. Now to get the separate responses, we have to basically tell OpenAI that we want a proper structure of data in response after extracting the details. Because if we keep this field as blank, OpenAI is going to give us a single response with all the details. Now here in structured output, we have to basically tell OpenAI by creating a JSON object. We create a JSON structure and the structure will tell OpenAI that we want the response in that particular format. Now you must be thinking, what is this JSON structure and how you can create it? So don't worry, creating a JSON structure is very easy. All you have to do is just use a tool of OpenAI itself. Just go to your OpenAI account and then after that, we will just go to this docs section. After coming to docs, from the left sidebar, go to this structured output section and here you can see we have reached to this field. Also in the Pabbly Connect workflow in the help text, you will get the link of the same place. And if you want to learn more about the structured output, here in the help text below, you can just click on this hyperlink and it will take you to a video on our channel. You can just refer to this video to learn more about the structured output of OpenAI. Now to generate the JSON schema, the JSON object of your choice, here after coming to this page, click on this generate button. And here you just have to enter the details, that what kind of response you want from OpenAI, what kind of JSON schema you want to create. So basically I have already copied like what kind of prompt I want to enter, so I'll just paste it. So this kind of prompt I'm entering. In this prompt, I'm mentioning that generate a JSON schema for utility bill table with the following fields. Here I'm mentioning the field name over here, the same field name which I have in my Google Sheets table. And after that, here I'm adding the description, that what should be the information added in this field. Also, we are entering this field type over here, that I want the data in the format of string over here. So similarly, using the same format, I have basically entered all the details, all the field name, their description, their string type, and all of that. Now after creating these details, sharing these details, we just have to click on this create button. Now instead of creating a description like this, if you directly copy paste the headers of your Google spreadsheet over here, it will still generate the same JSON schema for you. After entering this prompt over here, just click on create and here you can see that within few seconds, we are going to get a response with the JSON schema over here. And here it is. Here you can see that the JSON schema for the same details, same description which we have shared is created by OpenAI. Now after generating JSON schema, just copy the same JSON schema from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here in the structured output field. After pasting the JSON schema, just click on save and send test request. And after clicking on save and send test request, we will see within few seconds, we are going to receive some response over here. And the response is received. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. In this response, you can see all the details are extracted over here from this image, and all of these details extracted from this bill image are received as individual responses for each and every details inside Pabbly Connect. So using this AI agent, we sent our image to OpenAI and extracted all the details from it. After extracting these details, we want to add the same details in our Google spreadsheet as well. And to do this, what we are going to do, we will just go to our workflow, scroll down, click on this add action step button over here. And then here in choose app, we will search for Google Sheets. Just select it. After selecting Google Sheets, in action event from the drop down, select the action event as add new row. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this sign in with Google button. Then after that, here in the pop-up window, you can see a list of all the accounts which we have. We will just select the Google Sheet account in which we want to add the details. Just scroll down and click on continue. And as we click on continue, here you can see that our Google Sheets account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us to select the spreadsheet. So here in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the spreadsheets which we have in our Google Sheets account. Out of all of this, the spreadsheet in which we want to add the details is named as utility bills data. So from the dropdown, we are going to select the same spreadsheet. Now in this spreadsheet, we have only one sheet named as sheet 1. That's why in this dropdown here, you can see that we have a dropdown option of sheet 1 over here, only sheet 1. So just select it. After that, all the columns of data to add the bill details which we have created, you can see all of these columns of Google Sheet as fields over here. And one by one, the extracted data which we have received from OpenAI, we have to add the same details into their respective field. And for that, we will use the same process of mapping. Just click on this field of bill ID over here, and here from the drop down from OpenAI responses, select the response of bill ID and map it. Similarly, we are going to map the rest of the details as well, like provider name, billing period. Okay, so we have mapped all of these details over here. After mapping all the details into their respective fields, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, you can see that we have received the response. Now, this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the data which we have mapped over here, these details are now added as a new row in our Google spreadsheet. So what we are going to do, we are just going to check it once. So we will just go to a Google spreadsheet, and yes, here you can see that in our Google sheet, just now a new row of data is added. And in this new row of data, you can see the details of the same bill we have, which we have uploaded in our Google Drive as an image over here. So this means the AI agent which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this AI agent is working perfectly fine. And using this AI agent, just by uploading the PDF file or the image of our bill in Google Drive, you can extract the details and add the details of all the bills in your Google spreadsheet. So not just these applications, you can build AI agents and connect multiple applications using Pabbly Connect to automate different parts of your business. Also, let me tell you that you will get a clone link of the same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone the same workflow, this AI agent, into your own Pabbly Connect account and start using it for free. Also, let me tell you that Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this AI agent, you can just do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.